Welcome. This is Jamb here, 2012 government past question number 7, and the question here says a governmental system in which constitutional supreme resides in the center is dash. A governmental system in which constitutional supreme resides in the center is dash. Now I want to talk of constitutional supreme means the absolute power of the state centered at the center or national level of government is called dash. A. Federal, B. Confederal, C. Unitary, D. Parliamentary. This definition and by this phrase constitutional supreme reside in the center is the definition to unitary system of government. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.